Thousands of pro-abortion rights advocates are taking to city streets as we give you a live look at Chicago, where demonstrations are well underway. The demonstrations are titled Ban Off Our Bodies, and they come after the Senate failed to codify Roe v. Wade into law on Wednesday. Also new today, a sitting Supreme Court justice speaking out for the first time since the leak of that draft opinion on overturning Roe v. Wade. Justice Clarence Thomas broaching the subject at a public forum, saying the leak undermines trust among justices.
If someone said that one line of one opinion would be leaked by anyone, and you would say that, oh, that's impossible. No one would ever do that. And look where we are, where now that trust or that belief is gone forever. We never had that before. We actually trusted. We may have been a dysfunctional family, but we were a family. And we loved it. I mean, you trusted each other, you laughed together, you went to lunch together every day.
Well, Chief Justice John Roberts has ordered an investigation into the source of that leak, and it is a developing story on many fronts. Joining us now, NBC's Antonia Hilton from Washington, D.C., and Jesse Kearse will join us from Chicago. Welcome to you both. We're going to begin with you, Antonia, where a rally on the National Mall is just kicking off. Talk about what protesters there say they hope to achieve, Antonia.
Hey, Alex, look, this is starting to be a big crowd here, and there are people of all ages, backgrounds. There are men and women here, families here with their small toddlers. And what they say they want to achieve is sending a message to the Supreme Court, but also a message to legislators at the national level, at the state level, that they now need to take action on behalf of women. People are carrying signs saying we are the majority. They're talking about how women's reproductive rights are health care, they're family rights. They're worried about the implications when it comes to contraception. And I met women here who were concerned about, other medical issues that they have that contraception, things like birth control pills help them with. But there are also women here who have come out for the very first time, saying that this is the first protest they've been to, that they've been moved to share their stories today because of this leaked opinion. And they are trying to, in some cases, pass on a message to younger generations. I met one woman named Deborah here who told me that for the first time, coming here today made her comfortable sharing a story with me about her back alley abortion when she was 13. Take a listen, Alex.
I have never told anyone ever until right now, because I feel this strongly about it. I had a backstreet abortion when I was 13. And of course, a rich person set it up. And through the mafia in Chicago, and it was the worst experience of my life. And I can't believe we're going back to this. And it's a tragedy.